Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a tiger from the show Monster Rancher. Now, Tiger was kind of like a wolf character, and he had these cool horns that were coming out of his head. So I want to show you guys today how to draw him. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eye. So starting right up here, I'm just going to make kind of like a little check mark shape that goes down, and it's going to kind of come back like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down and then up at an angle. So he's got kind of like a angry looking eye. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line in here and then another one for the pupil. Now starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then it's at an angle and it's going to come down even more. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out like this, and then it's going to kind of come back for his snout. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve up, and then just go down like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes up and over for the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to put a couple little points on it for some fur. And then I'm just going to bring this line and kind of curve it down. Now, right up here, I'm just going to add some kind of pointy zigzag shapes on here just to kind of show a little bit of some of the detail on here because he's got a lot of different like colors on his head. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes right up here. Now he's got these really cool horns on top of his head, so I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then it's just going to kind of go down like this. They're going to come to a point and they're going to get really wide and come back here. Then right here, I'm going to draw another one. I'm just going to kind of bring it right up to here, go up, down, and then just kind of bring it right to there. Now, starting up here, he's got some really kind of crazy hair. It's almost kind of like Sonic a little bit. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and then it's going to come back. And I'm just going to kind of repeat this a few times. And I'm just going to make some of these a little bit longer, some of them a little bit shorter. And it's almost kind of like he's got like a big lion mane on here. So these are just going to kind of curve down. And then they're just going to kind of curve back and just kind of run right up to here. Now for his body. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. Bring this line down to here. Make this line go up, and then it's just going to come down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, put a couple little spikes on it for some fur. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down like this for a leg. Then I'm going to add a little curved line that just goes down and comes back. Another one right here. And then one more right there. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and then I'm just going to curve this up. And then just kind of bring it up here for the leg. Then starting here, I'm going to draw this line. I'm going to bring it kind of up like this. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then it's going to go over. Then I'm going to take this line and just kind of curve it down here. And then I'm going to add some more of these little kind of claws on here. Now, starting here, I want to put another leg, so I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and it's going to curve up. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. Little line is just going to kind of curve over, and then we'll just add a couple more of these little claws onto here. Then we're going to bring this line up, over, and then up like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, put a couple little spikes on it, and then I'm just going to bring it up like this for the tail. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. I'm going to add a couple little claws over here for the feet. And this little line that goes out and comes up. Then on the horns, I'm just going to add a couple little kind of curved lines that go around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Tiger from Monster Rancher. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.